Želite doživeti čisto zimsko zabavo, ko drugje ni padla niti še ena snežinka z neba? Znanstvena študija je dokazala, Obertauern ima najdebelejšo snežno odejo v Avstriji. Ljubitelji zimskih športov se tako že lahko veselijo 22. novembra, ko bodo na smučišču Obertauern ponovno začele obratovati žičniške naprave. Odštevanje se bo začelo v velikem slogu z vrhunskimi prireditvami.
I definitely like most the events at the beginning, the electronic festival with Felix Jähn and Alle Farben, but also German artist Andreas Burani. And then I am really looking forward to have some powder days, maybe to get out and ski myself, be in the sun and having a good deep snow, hopefully. And then we're all waiting till we have the end of season where we have our treasure hunt. And this is always a very emotional day because seeing the people, how happy they are if we win a BMW is something very special and unique. And so we have a few highlights this winter season.
Obertauern je najvišje ležeče smučišče dežele Salzburg, eno od smučišč v Alpah, kjer je sneg najbolj zagotovljen. In kakšne so posebnosti prihajajoče smučarske sezone?
Well, the new things are especially for families this year. We're having our kids Tauernrunde, and this is something which guides the kids in different ages through the ski resort, guides them in a way which fits their age and shows them places where they can really have fun in the snow, because we want to show the kids how it is to have fun in the snow. It's not just sports, it's not just work or exhausting, so it should be really, really fun, and this is the main thing, and something very unique. We have it for kids of different ages, so not just the small ones, also the bigger ones, that it doesn't get boring, with more action. And this is what we invented this year.
Till end of April or till 1st of May, Obertauern expect many tourists.
Hopefully. It's gonna be like we will open on the 22nd of November and close on the 1st of May traditionally. And in this time we hopefully get a lot of people from everywhere, a lot of Slovenians, and because it's so close, and I think Slovenians like to come to Obertauern for a day or for more.